Here I have LENOVO TAB M8, and today I'm going to show you how to enter safe mode on this device. So firstly, you should hold down power key, and when you see this turn off menu, hold down your finger on power off. Then it suggests you to reboot to safe mode. You just tap OK and device will be restarted in a safe mode. So as you can see, the sign here says safe mode, which is the proof that we're in a safe mode right now. So if you want to quit this mode, just select, just restart your device and it will be restarted in a normal mode. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.